one from Sister Fia. She calls this one chill. So you see, you have to chill.
Yes.
You have to chill. And as she sasaid, this December.
Now we're showing room.
So you heard it yourself, and you see this one, it's a whole package. Video is out, song is out. Go and stream it right now. Start to chill it. But you saw the ladies in the video. Don't be small, oh. Sister Fia, she's a vibe. I'll come and tell you her recent video I saw. She, Akiana, and the one other lady, they were shaking things on socials, and when I saw it, I said, "Hey, where's my own?" Okay.
In future,
I'll come back and tell you about my own. But of course, today we have a DIY, and we have a gentleman here with us. And well, of course, he is coming to take us through the process of, cutting kaftan. Should I say, or putting it together? As you can see. As you can see, he is looking all dapper in this. Did you saw this yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
So this is kaftan, right?
Yeah.
So you want to take us through the process?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot to learn.
I'm telling
So this one there.
So this is a 2 yard.
Kaftan.
2 yards, yes.
Okay.
I have 2 yards of my fabric. And then typically my table is not.
This one is studio table.
So, work with what we have.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's work with that.
Okay.
Then of course I have to put my scissors in my pocket.
In your pocket. Okay.
And then we have a rule.
Okay. So
Don't worry, Sister Fia is still here. Don't worry.
basically I divide the fabric into two.
Okay.
Because of course you can see the kaftan has 2 faces, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have this. Then I'll go again by folding it into
3 parts.
4 parts. So now we have
parts,
4
okay.
parts. Okay. No, I'm putting it on there.
All
On
right.
the table.
All right. So now I start with the length of the fabric, the kaftan.
Okay.
Assuming I want to take a length of, let's say, 35 inches. So I measure my 35.
Yes, here.
Yeah. Then the 35, of course, I need to add 2 inches, which
Why?
would be that would be
fold.
the 10. The
Okay.
10.
Hey, Shala,
Okay.
why are you there so small?
Hey, me catch on some multi-talented.
Okay.
Then, of
Right.
course, the kaftan will have to, I need to cut the shoulders. So I'll pick 3 inches from here. Let's say, I'll pick 3 inches from here.
Yeah.
Then I can start doing my marking. So,
Okay. This one is straight line.
yes, it's a straight line.
It's a straight line. Okay. But why is this one curved?
Shoulder.
It's the shoulder. So the shoulder will slant.
Okay. All right.
Okay. What I want?
So I
Our
cut.
scissors.
We are coming to cut.
That's my favorite part.
Yes.
That's your favorite part.
Yes.
Do you cut?
Okay.
Do you know how to cut?
Oh, I cut in my room. I cannot cut here for you.
He's
because
cutting, Sammy, don't worry. He's cutting fast.
as
We are
fast
cutting
as possible.
Yes.
Che. Or should I send me palm kaftan them out? So I have to learn.
Okay.
So we can put this aside.
So this is our extra.
That will go for the sleeves and
Oh.
other parts.
We are cutting the shoulders. This one we are going to sew for Sami Okuto.
Who is Sami Okuto?
Sami
Our
is
producer.
that's the tall one you saw in the control room.
Oh, okay.
So we want to sew for him this afternoon.
Please, you can take your hands off.
It has its height.
So now I have my front and my back.
In your back.
But I need to divide this into 2.
And this just makes the back and the front.
Yes.
Oh.
We are teaching Sister Fia too.
For her
Because
class.
we are all learning this afternoon. So this one there, the way it has do there.
Okay.
Right.
So we have the two parts. That is the front and the back. Of course, I'm using the full size of the fabric because I just don't want to cut it off. Okay.
So from here.
So from here, I need to mark out my sleeves, right? So let's assume that the person has a shoulder of, let's say,
15.
15.
So is your shoulder 15?
12.
Okay.
Then the sleeve of, let's say, normally the sizable sleeve we have is about 19, 20. So let's say 20.
Okay.
So now I need to mark out my sleeve.
Okay.
And then we cut.
Then I cut.
Right.
Oh, that thing seems easy.
It seems easy, eh?
Eh, but it's not easy.
Oh.
Have you sewn one for yourself before? It looks easy, but it's not.
It is not that easy. Okay. So now if I'm to fix a sleeve, then I take the sleeve from here.
Okay. From the other fabric you cut.
From the piece that
Yes.
I had.
Now, one thing that excites me is that he's going to be at the SME fair.
Yes, so...
Yes.
So with that, are you coming with clothes?
Oh, yes.
You sell there?
Yes.
And then... would you, yeah, it's all kaftans.
It's all kaftans.
Different sizes.
And we have other casuals as well.
Okay.
Jeans, fabrics, and everything that you need.
Okay.
All with discounts. Is it discounted?
Of course.
Oh, so that means you see the prices you go and buy at the shop. This time he said he's reducing so that you can all afford to buy it. But where are you located?
I'm located at Adenta filling station.
Okay, Adenta filling
Filling
station.
station.
Okay. And any numbers to call you? Are you on social media?
Yes, I'm on social media.
Okay.
What
Facebook, Instagram, Kofi Kyere Klothing.
Okay, Kofi Kyere Klothing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can find him there, but you're going to be at the SME fair, and that is why I want you to be there. Yes, SME fair. When you go and look for Kofi Kyere Klothing. When you find him, go and buy all you need. Women, please go and buy for your men. Oh, go and buy for your men. And trust me, you will see how much they will award you.
Thank you.
Period. Use money to go and take money. Women, use money and then go and take that money. Okay, so with this, I believe that this can now take us straight into sewing then.
Yes, after you make the pieces, then you can join them on the machine.
Okay. Okay, so please hold on. When you are doing your SME fair, if you put speakers, they play Sister Fierce music. Okay?
Yes.
Of
okay.
course.